So I took a right and went into the den. It's really dark in here because it's got the old wood paneling and no light in the ceiling. I have spots in the ceiling, but no light. I don't know what that is. I'll have to see if there's a bathroom upstairs. The floors already, I've walked around this whole first floor and it goes up and it goes down and it feels spongy and it feels weak. This house needs a lot of work. It's more than just a little TLC. It's a project. This has been repaired because it's leaked. And no doubt most chimneys leak if they're not taken care of. You have to check the flashing and make sure it's good all the time. You should check it on a regular basis, but don't ever let it leak because it gets ugly. I mean, this was a house in its day.